G'day and welcome back to another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups, proudly sponsored by Minisport. On this episode we have Jackson, my apprentice here, who's going to be helping us talk about the Gearbox reseal kit. Now, like we've discussed on previous episodes, there are a couple of different types of gearboxes to suit the A-Series engine, which is a remote change gearbox, a rod change gearbox, and a magic wand gearbox. All these have different components inside them in which you need to replace when you are doing a gearbox rebuild. So for instance, this one here is a rod change gearbox out of a 1275. This is actually an A+ gearbox, which there is no difference between an A+ and an A-Series gearbox for a rod change. So this component kit comes with everything you need to be able to rebuild it. So it has all the gaskets you're going to need, whether it be on the diff side, whether it be on the timing case side, or whether it be on the output shaft for the speedo drive. Now, speaking of speedo drive, this is the only seal in which it doesn't come with. This is the speedo drive seal, which actually sits on this side of the gearbox. It sits inside here. We have discussed it on a previous episode. Whenever you pull these off, it is worthwhile replacing this little O-ring, should I say a seal, inside here every time you do it. Over time, rubber goes hard, therefore it doesn't seal, and therefore it's going to leak. So, over time, it will leak, it will deteriorate. So, it is worthwhile to make sure that if you're going to do a rebuild kit, make sure you get this little seal. They're only worth a couple of dollars, but it is worthwhile replacing when you are rebuilding it. This also comes with all the gaskets associated, so whether it be the oil feed pipe, whether it be the side diff seals, whether it be the O-rings that are incorporated inside there, it is worthwhile noting to make sure that you buy one of these kits when you are rebuilding it. Whatever it doesn't come with, make sure you buy it specifically for it. So check them out at www.minisport.com.au and we'll catch you on the next episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups.